Question number 1. Slow air pressure buildup rate. Start the truck. For demo, release yellow brake. Bring pressure below 85 psi by pressing pedal brake few times. The moment air pressure is below 85 psi, keep your stopwatch ready and start building the pressure up. Maintain RPM between 600 to 900. Now see, my pressure is 85 psi and I am going to start my timer. When pressure reaches 100 psi, then stop the timer and see, air pressure reaches from 85 psi to 100 psi in 36 seconds, which is less than 2 minutes. It's good. Now read the minor or major in the schedule 1 and describe. If slow air pressure buildup rate, it is a minor defect, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator, and I can drive the vehicle.